6 naman. Carlos Yulo got a difficulty of 5.6 for the first vault. I'm sorry, 6.0 for the first vault. And also 5.6 for the second vault. Yeah, that's a great job Nang Chun Chen because his first World Cup. No, yeah, first World Cup finals. Carlos Yulo of the Philippines. Buff siya ngayon, ha? Carlos Yulo, medyo buff si Carlos Yulo ngayon. Mas lumaki ang katawan niya. 6.0 difficulty. This will be a Blanik 2 or double Sukahara double pike. Somersault. He got a 9.3 execution score in the first vault with 6.0 difficulty. 15.3 score niya sa first vault ng qualification. Let's see. Come on, Kaloy. Yes! Woo! Galing! You still got the power. I think, pwede kayo na rin masabing hindi nagkamali si Yulo sa kanyang desisyon. Or he's trying to prove that tama ang kanyang desisyon. But it was good. His 15.3 was good. I believe nag-concentrate si Yulo sa vault tsaka sa parallel bar. Medyo napabayaan lang yung floor. Pero okay lang. Pero here, concentration niya, grabe. And good leg extension sa pike. Medyo mababa lang yung chest sa landing. It will cause some deductions. Kung tinaasan pa sana yung yung chest, mababa yung chest sa landing eh. And a very small hook. Yun, that's it. Music na naman. So, the pike position was amazing. Ayun lang, mababa lang talaga yung chest sa landing. But he's having a good height. Good job for Carlos Yulo. This is one of the most difficult vault in the world as of now. But maybe double pike with Dragulesco in the future. Ang saya ng mga Pilipino, oh. Pati yung GF niya. And we have here now Carlos Yulo for the second vault. 5.6 difficulty. Nag-buff si Carlos Yulo. Mas naging magandang katawan niya ngayon. I can say na condition ng katawan ni Kaloy ngayon. Mas happy rin ang mukha niya. This will be a 5.6 difficulty. Kay Carlos Yulo, 9.033 execution score nung second vote. Tingnan natin anong score niya. Wala pa yung score. What's the score for the first vote? Hindi pinakita. Good vote. Good one. Same executions that he is showing during the other World Cup from the last year, from the World Championship. This is a good job for Carlos Yulo. Maybe silver. I'm not sure if it's gonna be gold kasi wala pa si Arthur Dapian. But this is gonna be for sure a podium finish for Carlos Yulo. A podium finish display. Wow, great job. And that's his coach for the conditioning coach. Great job, and they did really well. Although hindi pa talaga nakakorek yung mga there are some forms that very minute form that needs to improve. But he did here very well. Yung performance niya sa World Championship is pareho na dito. But he landed on the side. This can be a podium finish. Maybe a repeat of a World Championship finish podium. But if things goes well, Arthur Davian can be gold and he can be silver. Pero kung matumba si Arthur Davian, si Carlos Yulo ang mag-gold. This gonna be surely a podium finish. And I commend yung ang galing ng ginawa ng kanyang conditioning coach. Napaganda niya yung katawan ni Carlos Yulo, mas napalaki talaga, mas naging buff siya, at very well defined ang mga muscles. Kitang-kitang improvement physiologically kay Carlos Yulo, and big congratulations sa kanyang conditioning coach. Nice job, Kaloy. Nice job. Ang galing ng conditioning coach niya kasi mind tsaka sa katawan, magaling siya mag-condition kay Carlos Yulo. Great job. And the results will be congratulations, 15.066. That is it a good improvement? Yes, a good improvement. 14.966 to 15.066. Wow, amazing, Carlos Yulo. Congratulations. And also to his team, to his condition. Congratulations, Carlos Yulo, for the bronze, a silver medal for the vault. Thank you very much, Carlos Yulo. Di mo kami binigo. Salamat sa iyong pagpupunyagi at nag-work hard sa vault.
ب 14549 متابع يولو كارلوس ادريال هذا البطل
8 best on qualification, 6.0 qualification. Carlos Yulo 6.0 on qualification difficulty, second best. Carlos Adriel Yulo of the Philippines 6.0 difficulty. Congrats sa coach ni Kaloy kasi napaganda nila yung katawan ni Kaloy. Kitang-kita. Mas maganda katawan niya ngayon. Let's go, Carlos. Good one, real handstand. Good one. This is it. Pulido. Nice one, Kaloy.
رجوله مسكره ما تكون مفتوحه فبالحاله هذه الحكم ما يخصم على اللاعب.
Nice handstand, well controlled. No bending of the elbows. Wow. Great flight. Yung LC na lang medyo may galaw ng slight.
لحد الان كل شيء ممتاز.
Good transition. Medyo napapagod na si Kaloy. Konti na lang. Wow! Awesome job, Kaloy. This must be maybe 15.3 or 15.2. This must be 15.0 above level. Awesome job, Kaloy. Ang ganda ng katawan niya ngayon. Awesome job, Kaloy. This must be 15.2 or 15.4 level. Ang linis, ang pulido. Great job. Ano na naman ang music na to? Diyos ko po. Makaka-copyright na naman tayo. Ang ganda ng one-rail handstand. Walang wiggle. Parang World Championship 2021 lang din. O kaya World Cup Baku, parang ganon. Yes, woo, bumabawi siya. Bumabawi si Kaloy. Probable, maybe 15.3 maybe. To be safe, to be fair, siguro 15.2 to 15.3. Doon muna ako. I don't want to give a high hope. Pwede yon. Pwede 15.4. Pero maybe 15.2 or 15.1. May connection bounces. Oo, meron din. Pulido ang kanyang mga galawan dito. I believe nag-focus sila sa parallel bar tsaka sa vault, yung training niya. High level of chest. Yung floor hindi na masyadong pinocus kasi alam na magaling na siya dun eh. Kaya yung tuloy. Feeling ko nag-focus sila sa vault tsaka sa parallel bars. Awesome job. And he was also congratulated by his fellow gymnast. Nice shots. I commend yung yung coach niya ngayon na babae, mental conditioning, muscle conditioning. 15.2, tama ako. 15.2 gold medal for Carlos Yulo. This possible gold. 15.2. Wow! Possible gold. Ay, tama ako sa 15.2. Kasi may mga kaunting, very slight, minimal na galawan ng slight. Low, 15.2 for parallel bar. Hong Yuanji, 14.9. Chang Saipei and Xiao Sosa, 14.5.
إذا انتهت المنافسة الثانية للرجال جهاز المتوازي.
This is a golden performance of Carlos Yulo. Great job, Kaloy.
وانتهت بفوز الفلبيني.
Ang cute ni Carlos.
للفلبيني يولو كارلوس
Carlos Edrel Yulo for the gold medal for parallel bars. Congratulations, Philippines.
إذن فضية وذهبية ليولو كارلوس إدريال
Mabuhay Carlos Yulo at he bounces back
والنشيد
from the
الوطني
falls
الفلبيني.
and mistakes in Paris, the World Championship 2023. He bounces back.
تفاعل جماهيري إذن في المدارس والجماهير الفلبينية.
Such an emotional national anthem of the Philippines in Qatar. Nakakatuwa mga kababayan natin. Tinapos ang national anthem. Such a very emotional na pagkanta ng Lupang Hinirang sa Qatar. Again, it was sung. How a lot of times the national anthem was sung in Qatar in the Spire Dome. So Carlos Yulo for the gold and Hong Yuanji for the silver and Xiao Sosa of Brazil for the bronze.
الجمباز الفني وأيضا السيد علي أحمد عيسى الهدمي رئيس
And here's the recap of the golden display of Carlos Yulo in parallel bars. Good hold here.
بهذا الجمباز يولو كارلوس إدريال.
He really worked out a lot in the parallel bars as we can see. Hindi naman siya nagpabaya, nag-focus naman sa parallel bars. Perhaps they have seen all the mistakes that they that needs to be corrected during the World Championship and also from the World Cup, the 3 World Cup series. From the World Cup in Catbus. I mean, no, not in Catbus, in Baku. But during the English Championship, he did had a good score in a parallel bar, and now we just seen him na nag-bounce back talaga siya.
هذا هو يولو كارلوس إدريال بطل العالم إذن في مناسبتين